The imprisonment of former President Jacob Zuma made international headlines. It also heightened tension, impacting negatively on the country's economy. In July last year, Zuma handed himself over at the Escort Correctional Center. Many businesses and establishments are yet to recover from the unrest that ensued in KwaZulu-Natal and Gauteng. Zuma and the Department of Correctional Services will have to convince the Supreme Court of Appeal that his release on parole was lawful.
If it was purely a legal issue, one would have predicted that there won't be any chaotic situation because the people of this country will abide themselves by the outcome of a court of law. But unfortunately, this is not the case. It is a case that has been elevated to the status of poverty, the status of the state taking action against a former president.
The unrest raised questions about the country's state security. The report of the expert panel into the July civil unrest indicated that in some instances, the police service did not receive intelligence needed to plan its operation. Recently, many suspects were arrested in connection with the unrest.
That the failure of various governments and various government departments responsible for managing the levels of crime are simply inadequate and failing to do so to the extent that the military has to come in and support police services, and even the military itself, in terms of its budget and capability, severely depleted. They cannot be the last resort to address the security concerns of the country.
In papers filed in the SCA, Zuma says the Correctional Services Act empowered the National Commissioner to protect the rights of an inmate to adequate medical treatment. The DA and Helen Suzman Foundation have submitted that former Correctional Services Commissioner Arthur Fraser undermined the role of the Medical Parole Advisory Board. SABC News, Bloemfontein.